everyone, this is Melissa from stampwithmelissa.com here, and today I'm so excited to share this really awesome chalkboard technique with you. I recently saw this from fellow demonstrator Barb Mullican, and I thought it was so cute. So I wanted to go ahead and recreate it for you today. Now I know you might be thinking, where the heck did you get this stamp set from? This is not in the catalog. Where did it come from, right? Well, I am using a brand new stamp set today called Party Puffins, and this is coming up in the next annual catalog, which launches on May 4th of 2021 this year. So I just got this in the mail yesterday and I love it so much. I really liked the Zany Zebras, and sadly they are retiring. And so I knew I needed to get the Party Puffins to make up for my loss of cute animals to make some cute birthday cards. So yeah, today I'm using these cute puffins. Now, you can't order this as a customer until May 4th, but I have great news. This is a part of the demonstrator pre-order, so you can order it if you join my team. And what does that mean to join my team? Well, that means to join Stampin' Up! As a demonstrator, and it is $99, but you get to pick out $125 worth of stuff. And it can be anything that you want. It can be items from the pre-order, retiring list, clearance rack, anything. So it's just an amazing deal, and then you get, you start at a 20% discount on all of your products, and you can get the cute Party Puffins early. So anyway, I digress, and I'm gonna move this to the side. And then I'm gonna bring in here, so I'm gonna use the cute hat guy, the candles, and then, whoops, and then the happy birthday sentiment there. And I'm gonna show you how to make this cute chalkboard technique. So once again, thanks to Barb Mullican for the idea on this, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, I'm gonna start here by bringing in a scrap piece of the grid paper and my piece of basic black here, and this is going to make the chalkboard. Measurements for everything today are going to be in my coordinating blog post, and you can find the link to that down in the description box below this video. All right, so now that I've got that, I'm also gonna bring in my craft ink pad here, and this comes uninked, and then you use a refill to ink it yourself. And I've got a sponge dauber here. Now this is my sponge dauber. It looks clean, but this is the one that I have assigned to the white. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just rub a little bit of that ink here, and then I'm gonna start off and just kind of like swirl it around, maybe spread it a little on this cardstock piece. Now you can see there that's a pretty dark, but that's okay. So we just kind of want to give this the look of like a chalkboard, you know, when they erase and you can't quite get everything off. So I think it's such a fun technique, and it's so cute. So then I've got my cute little puffin here wearing the hat, and I'm gonna go ahead and ink him right in this craft white. And you can see he's pretty inky there, but in the middle of him, it's not very vibrant. So I'm gonna make sure that I get just a nice vibrant, there we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and stamp him down here. And I'll lift that up. Then I've got the cute candles, and I'll go ahead and ink those up as well, like so. And we're just gonna kind of decorate a little. So I'll put one there, and actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and stamp that sentiment so I know where it goes. So that's the happy birthday there, and I want it to go right up here. Okay, so I'll move that out of the side, and then we'll add in some more candles. And now that that's all stamped, I'm gonna go ahead and close up my white ink pad and move that to the side. All right, then I'm gonna use the watercolor pencils, and we do have 2 packs of watercolor pencils. I'm gonna go ahead and just use this assortment number 1 here, and I'm just gonna grab out a couple of colors that I think would work well with this. So I'm going to start with my pumpkin pie here, and I'll go ahead and color in the puffin's feet and his nose. All right, next I've got Daffodil Delight here, which I'm going to use for the flames of the candles. All right, next I've got Rich Razzleberry, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the little puff and the circles in his party hat with the Rich Razzleberry. And I'm also gonna go ahead and do this candle over here. Now here's Melon Mambo, and I'm going to color in his party hat and one of the candles. All right, and then I've got Calypso Coral, Old Olive, Bermuda Bay, and Pacific Point, and I'm going to use these to finish up the candles here. So here we go. Okay, isn't that so cute? Can you see all those colors in there? It's just adorable, and this is such a fun technique that you can use with so many different stamp sets. So now let's go ahead and assemble the card. So I've got a piece of crumb cake here, and I liked crumb cake because I thought it looked like the frame of the chalkboard. So I'm going to flip my basic black piece over and then use my seal adhesive to attach it to the crumb cake. And then I'm going to bring in my basic white card base here, and this is a piece of the Playing with Pattern DSP, and I'm going to go ahead and adhere this down. I just kind of liked how it gave it a little bit of an extra texture on the card, so I'm going to use my seal adhesive again to adhere this to the center of the card front. And now that that's adhered, I'm going to go ahead and flip this over and add dimensionals and then stick it on the card front. And a fold and crease, and this card is done! Alright, so thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video and this fun and cute little technique. I have really enjoyed making them and playing with the Party Puffins stamp set. If you'd like to see some of the other new items coming to Stampin' Up! Pretty soon in the upcoming catalog, you can check out my unboxing video that I did of my pre-order. And you can view that. I'll put the link down in the description box below. So I hope you liked it. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!